On this one, you just have to remember that M is a slope and B is a y-intercept. So if you can remember y equals mx plus b, you could just plug in the numbers for M and B. Don't forget that if you have a plus negative number, you just change it to a minus sign. And then you go ahead and graph the line. So we've done both before. So we're going to go right here. The equation, the slope is 3, y-intercept is 2. So it's y equals 3x plus 2. Then when we graph, we're going to go ahead and go to positive 2 on the y-axis because that's the y-intercept. The slope is 3, which means rise 3 and run 1. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. So rise over 1 is, rise over run is 3 over 1. Would be our slope is 3. So let me see if I did this right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So they give you the slope. So you have y equals, you just have to write that slope, 2/5. Do the right arrow so you don't forget the x. That's one thing that students tend to forget is to put that x in there. Y-intercept is 5. So just graph that 5 on the y-axis. The slope is 2/5, so you want to go rise, so up 2 and then over 5. Oops, I think I went over 6. Dang. Let me do that again. So 5, and then up 2, 1, 2, and over 5. There we go. Okay, next one. So we have y equals, here's a negative sign, so -4/3. Do the right arrow, put your x. Now the y-intercept's a minus or -1, so do a -1 right here. Instead of putting plus b, plus -1, just make it minus. So we'll put this down to -1. Then we're going to go, okay, so it's a -4/3. So I like to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the left 3. So we want to just make sure it's a downward slope. You could go like down 4 and to the right 3, but you want to choose, because it's negative, you want to choose one of those, either the rise or the run, and go a negative direction. But don't go negative for both. Like don't go negative or like down 4 and to the left 3, because that'll make a positive slope. So I like to go up and then to the left when it's negative. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.